Snake Stuffie. Make a toy snake you can snuggle with. You'll need a long sock, fabric stuffing, googly eyes, felt, glue, and scissors. Step 1. Fill the sock with stuffing. Glue the end closed. Step 2. Glue on googly eyes to give your snake some personality. Step 3. Cut a forked tongue out of felt and glue it on. Let the glue dry, and then you can play with your new friend. Have fun!